Did you know that millions of people around the world rely on PayPal for their online transactions, thinking it's the safest way to pay? But is it really as secure as it seems? Or are you putting your money at risk every time you hit that send button? Today, we're diving deep into the dark side of PayPal. If you've ever sent money online or bought something with just a click, you'll want to hear this. What is PayPal, and why is it so popular? PayPal has been a game changer since it was founded in 1998. It's evolved into one of the most popular digital payment platforms, used by over 400 million active users worldwide. It offers a fast and secure way to transfer funds without dealing with cash or checks. Whether you're shopping online, paying a friend back for dinner, or handling business transactions, PayPal makes it as easy as a few clicks. The hidden dangers of PayPal. You might think that PayPal's advanced encryption keeps you completely safe, but let's not kid ourselves. As one of the biggest names in online payments, PayPal is also one of the biggest targets for hackers and scammers. So what are the real dangers of using PayPal? Phishing scams are a nightmare, and PayPal users are prime targets. Imagine getting an email that looks exactly like it's from PayPal. It even uses PayPal's branding and has that familiar logo. The email says your account is at risk, urging you to click a link to verify your details. Once you do, you're led to a fake site designed to steal your login credentials. Let's break down some of the most common scams that can drain your wallet or even leave you in debt. Invoice and money request scams. Ever received an invoice for something you didn't order? Or maybe a money request from a friend who never actually sent it? Scammers use these tactics to trick you into thinking you owe them money. Package rerouting scam. This one's a nightmare for sellers. A buyer provides an incorrect shipping address on purpose, then contacts the shipping company to reroute the package to a different location. Later, they claim they never received it and request a refund. Overpayment scam. This scam works by a buyer accidentally sending more money than they owe. They'll ask you to wire the difference back to them. The problem? They used a stolen credit card or bank account to make the payment. Shipping service scam. In this scam, the buyer convinces you to use their preferred shipping service, claiming it's cheaper or more reliable. They can then reroute the package to a different address, file a complaint with PayPal, and claim they never received it. Prepaid shipping label scam. This tactic involves a buyer sending you a prepaid shipping label. You think you're saving money, but what you don't know is that the label was purchased with a stolen credit card. How to protect yourself from PayPal scams. Here are some key strategies to keep your PayPal account safe. When sending money to someone you don't know personally, always choose the goods and services payment option. The friends and family payment option should be reserved for exactly that, people you know and trust. Using it for business transactions or with strangers leaves you with no buyer protection at all. We can't stress this enough. Create a unique password for your PayPal account. If you use the same password for multiple accounts, you're making it easy for hackers to break in. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code in addition to your password. Even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to access your account without that code. PayPal can be a great tool when used correctly, but you must be aware of the risks. Hackers and scammers are getting more sophisticated every day, and they're counting on you to let your guard down. Don't give them that chance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth dives, and drop a comment below to share your own experiences with PayPal. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.